Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Save a backup and make sure the worksheet is editable. Once done, select the rows you plan to remove by clicking the row numbers. For a block, use Shift plus click, and for separate rows, use Control plus click. Make sure you are selecting entire rows rather than cells to avoid misaligning data. You do this now because deleting entire rows preserves table structure and avoids displaced formulas. So select carefully before proceeding to the deletion command. Next, you narrow down which rows to remove. Apply a filter for the criteria you want. This hides rows you keep. Once the filter shows only unwanted rows, press Alt+, or use Home Find and select Go to Special Visible Cells only to ensure you affect only visible rows. Then right-click any selected row number and pick Delete Row. You do this because deleting, while hidden rows remain intact, prevents accidental data loss and keeps worksheet references stable when formulas recalculate. Finish by removing filters and scanning nearby rows for formulas or formatting that might have shifted. Make sure totals and references still point correctly. Once satisfied, save as a new file name to preserve a recovery point. If you accidentally deleted wrong rows, immediately press Ctrl+Z to undo or restore from your backup if too much time has passed. If Excel prevents deletion because the sheet is protected, unprotect with the password or use a backup copy to avoid destructive changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.